What's good, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video, and let's talk about something very important about LUNO trading, guys. I know there's a lot going on. Bitcoin has been going up. Now it's very expensive, and a lot of you are missing out opportunities. And in this video, I want to talk about how exactly we are going to accumulate more coins on Valr Crypto Exchange, and of course LUNO Crypto Exchange. As you can see, I'm already logged in and stuff like that. So this is exactly what I'm going to talk about, guys, and without further ado, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. You know what I mean? So let me show you something that a lot of you are missing out. As you already know, that LUNO trading is all about buying and selling cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. You know, you have to buy low at lower price and you have to sell higher at higher price. For example, let's say you buy bread from your local store. You buy it at 20 rand, right? And then you want to make profit by selling your bread at the mall at higher price. So you buy 20 rand at your local store, and then you sell at the mall at 50 rand, and that's how exactly you are going to make profits of 30 rand. You know what I mean? So LUNO trading and Valr Crypto Exchange, these are local crypto exchanges that pretty much offer spot trading, and a lot of you don't really know how exactly you can take advantage of spot trading, and this is exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. And I'm going to show you my tools and pretty much everything that I use to take advantage of spot trading on Valr Crypto Exchange and stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. As I explained, the whole concept about spot trading, basically just have to buy small at low price and then sell later at higher price and stuff like that. So this whole week I've been using a signal strike, and signal strike is an indicator that pretty much give me buy and low signals. As you can see, let's zoom out this and then you will understand what I'm talking about. So this signal strike gives me buy and sell signals. As you can see right now, we have Ethereum pair right here, and it has been giving me these signals. Whenever we hit the bottom, I get a buy signal, and whenever we hit the top, I get a sell signal. So you can see that it has been getting this buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and currently we have got a buy signal coming right here and stuff like that. And this is a reason why I've been able to buy low and sell high on LUNO Crypto Exchange and Valr Crypto Exchange, and be able to accumulate more coins and stuff like that. So most of you have been asking me, do you do this every day or you wait for the signal and stuff like that? And of course, this is the most important question. People ask me, how exactly do you know when is good time to buy these cryptocurrencies and when exactly is time to sell these cryptocurrencies? And the answer to that is very simple, because I simply set an alert on this indicator. So as you can see right now, I'm on settings and we're looking at Ethereum chart. And right here, you'd notice that I've got buy and sell alert. So if I'm looking at buying opportunities, obviously I'm going to have to set it on buy alert, meaning that each and every time I get a buy signal on this chart, I get an alert or I get a notification in my phone telling me that it's good time to buy. You know what I mean? And same applies right here. If I click sell right here and I get a sell signal on this chart, I get an alert or notification on my phone telling me that it's good time to sell. And by repeating this same simple process, guys, you're gonna be able to accumulate more coins, and your portfolio is gonna keep on getting bigger and bigger and stuff like that. And most of you are making trading very hard because you don't know proper strategies and how exactly you can manage your portfolio and stuff like that. And trading becomes very simple only if you're using proper strategies and proper tools and stuff like that. So let's explore this signal strike indicator and let's take a look at other time frames and stuff like that. As you can see, I'm getting buy and sell signals exactly at the bottom. So take a look at 15-minute time frame on Ethereum. Right here, you can see that I've got a buy signal and the price is going up right here, exactly right here at the bottom, and the price has been going up, as you can see, right? So it's working in real time. no printing and shit like that, because this is the only indicator that I've been relying on. So another question is, does it work on, you know, derivative trading and stuff like that? Yes, of course, because you can see that it's getting, you know, signals in real time and stuff like that. So let's take a look at other pairs like you know, Bitcoin, and see what we can get on 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. As you can see right now on Bitcoin, we just got this buy signal and the price has been pushing to the upside. And if you apply this simple strategy to LUNO crypto exchange or Valr crypto exchange and be able to, you know, buy at the bottom and sell at the top, you know, you're gonna be killing it every time. You know what I mean? So I just wanted to share this video telling you about you know, this simple strategy and how exactly I'm able to accumulate more coins on Valr and LUNO crypto exchange. And most of you wanted an update when it comes to, you know, heavy crypto indicator and stuff like that. So I've been using Signal Striker ever since this bull run started and stuff like that. Now that I'm able to come right here and tell you what I'm doing, and I hope you're gonna make the right decision and take advantage of this bull market. You know what I mean? Trust me, you don't want to find yourself in a situation whereby you're buying the top and you're selling the bottom. It's really, really annoying. You know what I mean? So this is a secret that I've been using. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to share this. Therefore, some video, I hope you're gonna find this video helpful. And if you want this indicator, guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below as well as on heavycryptouniversity.online. You can also find the indicator. It's very, very simple and stuff like that, and it works on all markets, in stocks, forex markets, in crypto and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So therefore, guys, I'll see you on the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.